It's exciting taste.
Kind of a down-home Southern flavor.
You know Damaris Phillips, one of our judges, one of our competitors on Triple G. So it's legit, right?
It's so good.
And for this Louisville native, it's super familiar.
She said it's right next to my parents' old house.
Literally next door. When we were little kids, this was a tire shop called Don't Boot That Tire, Cap It.
What it?
Don't boot that tire, guy. Cap it.
Oh, I think Seafood Lady sounds way better.
It's kind of a hole in the wall, but it's always a line out the door.
I mean, this just has so much personality.
It does.
It's Saturday, I sing here.
The Seafood Lady has a lounge.
And it's a lot of great food.
For you, ma'am, we have the Hawk.
The Hawk is fried lobster, fried shrimp, and a buttermilk waffle.
Fried lobster and waffles, my life is complete.
What are we making now?
We're gonna make a house-made waffle. We're gonna put flour, baking powder, sugar, salt, little oil, 2 eggs, vanilla, milk. I like it a little thick so I can get a really fluffy waffle.
All right.
We're gonna make the dry batter for the lobster and the shrimp.
Okay.
Yellow cornmeal.
And this, again, is one of Grandpa's?
Yes, all Grandpa's secrets. Flour, onion powder, granulated garlic, cayenne pepper, paprika, adobo, black pepper, sea salt, and thyme.
Gotta have the time. Now what happened?
Pop this sucker open, pull him out,
Like old school dinner house style,
and then we'll batter the shrimp.
deep fry the whole tail and the shell.
All right, we're gonna pull the waffle out.
Okay.
We're gonna top it with the deep fried lobster, deep fried shrimp, sriracha mayo, parsley, and we serve it with serve. There you have it, the Hulk.
That's a good looking lobster tail.
Thank you.
The dredge. Out of bounds. It's not heavy, not too much. You don't overcook your seafood, which is great. You got that seafood hand, you get a piece of waffle, tear off a chunk of that shrimp, and a little bit of this sauce. That's a bite right there.
Order up, Hulk!
The fried lobster is just definition of amazing.
Mixed with the buttermilk waffle. I really can't explain it, but it dances in my mouth and it works perfectly.
Lobster and cheesy fry up!
No other place in Louisville compares to the Seafood Lady.
There's a line of people outside right now, and I know why. Because you're killing it. This is funky. You might be up there in the championship dive joints of Triple D. Yes.